All right, guys. So something crazy just happened with this position here. This position. All right. If you remember, guys, if you've been following me, remember that at the end of this position here, this one, I told you that I told you that uh, I'm not expecting any new signals in the next 3 weeks. All right, at least to February the 20th. I'm not expecting any signals. Just let me open this trade with $500. Of course, this one is going down. So if you remember, in February the 1st, as you can see, I opened this whole position. And by the end, I told you that I'm not expecting any signals next. I don't believe that the market will create any signals. And then I was looking, just taking a quick technical analysis on Euro USD OTC, and I found this. I found this one. And here, if you look closely, parabolic SAR changed position. So guys, for those who already have access to my course, my students, please go back to our course on binarystrategycourse.com, the only place, and check chapter 3 and chapter 4. We changed some updates. We updated MACD. So MACD now we are using a period of 20 instead of using a period of 10. This is just an update for my students. All right, first win. The first win. So as I was saying, yeah. So see this one. So this is what is happening with a bigger time frame. Let me just. So let's open the next trade, and I will come back to you with what exactly happened. So I was taking a look at Euro USD and at Euro Pound, but what I saw with Euro USD is that the market was moving down, and parabolic exchange positions, and the market created this red candle. I just waited for this pattern here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then this one was created, and I was 100% sure about what's coming next. All right. So I wasn't expecting. So as you can see here, the market went down. I was here comfortable, and then boom, boom, an uptrend. At this moment, I was scared, and then boom. Fortunately, at the end, the market closed below this opening price, and I made $425 with 85%. This was supposed to be 87%, but that's okay. 85%. All right. This trade was like, so let me take it. It was like 92%. Yeah, another win. Great, great, great. Don't worry. This signal is almost perfect. I don't want to risk it too much. Yeah. So the market went below the middle band from the Bollinger Bands. Look, creating a straight downtrend. The parabolic SAR, sorry. And yeah, nothing changed from our course. The strategy, nothing changed in our strategy. The only thing that changed is this one. The MACD period is 20. We are trading with 20, especially when you are trading with Euro USD. So if you didn't master the strategy yet, don't trade on other assets other than Euro USD. So just, yeah, $420. This one. So if you are new to the strategy, guys, you just took our course, please don't trade on any asset other than Euro USD because it's a little bit tricky. Great. Let me just, so this one, it was simple. This one was a little bit tricky. This one, but this one, unfortunately, I missed this one. I was supposed to make more. All right, as you can see, I made $1,720, but I could have made more because I thought that this is the end of the signal of the week. This is the end of the week. This was in February the 4th. Or sorry. Oh. I don't know what just happened with this one. Yeah. Yeah. Fortunately, I didn't lose. Oh. I don't know what I did wrong there. I followed the strategy. Yeah, I followed the strategy and then all of a sudden, zero. But that's okay. That's okay. A zero is okay. I did not lose yet. So, with these three trades, I was 100%. I was like 92%. But with this one, this was the only 100% trade in the last 2 months. Great, another win. Great, beautiful, beautiful. Now, yeah, the market is going down. So, market is moving sideways. The market is moving sideways. This was going down or up. This was going down, up, down, down. This one, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't want to get upset because I missed this one. I missed a lot in this one, but that's okay. We still have this one. Yup, $420 as expected. See, all these trades was a surprise because I did not expect that I'm going to make or to find another signal like this one. So I already made 5 or 6 positions, fixed 6 trades, and I won 5 of them, with the exception of this one, with no loss. It's amazing. It's amazing. So guys, this strategy is based, this is my own strategy. So it's based on MACD, RSI, parabolic SAR, and Bollinger Bands. See the Bollinger Bands. Great, $420. Yes. Let's look. Up to now, 400. You know what? The next one is a little bit risky. Yeah, it's a little bit risky. I could have missed this one and avoided a loss, but that's okay. I guess that, yeah, this will be a loss. See, until now we are losing $500. Or you know what? I'm not sure about this one. Here I'm 40% sure. Please stay there. We still have 1 second. Oh, great. So, oh my god. That's what frustrating. It's frustrating. Mm. This one was risky. This one was really risky. Risky. These ones were okay. This one I made a mistake, but this was risky. This was risky. And don't worry about this one. I'm winning either ways. This was like 90%. Yeah, yeah, just as expected. 90% winning. Yeah, we are winning. Next, let's go up. And yeah, let's hope that, I guess we are creating a bigger candle. A candle bigger than this one. Hopefully a candle bigger than this one. Perhaps it's reaching this level. Yeah, yeah. Please keep going up. If it goes over this level, the next one is easy. I already know what I'm doing next. The market will go down back. Why? Because the sellers will create, yeah, will create an offer zone. Yeah, so next we are expecting a downtrend. Okay, let's open. Please go down. Please go down. Please go down. Yeah, I don't believe that. I don't believe that the market will go over this level. So from this point on, the market is going down. Yeah. Hope that you enjoyed, guys. Um, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you in any way that you are going to make the same results as me. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option trading. So please be careful, and you must have a good strategy in order to trade binary options. Yeah. Should we trade another one, or should we quit here? I guess that, yeah, let's risk it. That's okay. That's okay. I guess this is the last one. This is the last trade. Or let's just see what the shape of the candle. If I'm losing, it will not be the last trade. You already know that. If you mastered my strategy, you already know that my risk management method will not allow me to quit here. So if I'm losing, I guess that, or I'm winning. If I'm winning, I'm quitting here. I'll quit. Ah, yes, 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 yes. You know what? Let's just quit here. So see you later, guys.